All right, what's up, y'all? I'm going to be showing y'all today's trade recap. I had did like a live trade, but like that shit was recorded for like mad long. So like I'm gonna see like how to chop those up, but I'm gonna do trade recap on the trade that I took today. Today was actually a pretty frustrating day, but we profited, but it could have been a way smoother day. But I'm about to get into it. And I'm gonna show y'all boys what we looking for the day. So my draw on liquidity today was previous day's high, which was right here. All right, buy side. Yeah, so like today was like a pretty frustrating day. I'm about to show y'all why, but yeah. Oh, let me show y'all why. Just let me show y'all why. So we got our buy side right here. Um, this is the 8:30 candle, the CPI candle. So I was expecting some manipulation in the morning time. Like I didn't want price to go straight up and hit my previous day's high, so I was expecting price to run lower and give some type of manipulation. So we got our run lower down right here. Let me zoom in. I'm not seeing that shit. So we got our one run lower right here, and then like when we broke this low, I wasn't expecting it to break this low. I was actually expecting it to hold this inefficiency, but we didn't. So when we broke this inefficiency right here, I was thinking that we were maybe we could run down to take out yesterday's London low, but I remembered that we could go outside the lines a little bit. It is CPI, so I had took one entry right here. So this is my first entry that I had took for the day, and it was a loss. This is the first loss that I took. So I was seeing this price wanted to respect this BISI right here. It respected the fair value gap. It went up, shifted market structure, and then we came back down into the range. And then we broke this high right here, and then we have a fair value gap right in there. And I put my stop loss under that low. And then as you can see, we came down, stopped me out. And then we have another manipulation leg right here. And then we have a run up and a fair value gap with a shift in market structure. Now, this is the trade that I knew was going to hold, and this is what frustrated me about this trade. But if y'all watching this, y'all could maybe if y'all struggling with something, this is a good way to get like through that problem. Like I'm about to show y'all what I do. So I'm gonna delete this. So boom, this is the setup that I'm waiting for. I got in here, stop loss under the candle low, and I was targeting right here. It's a 4-to-1 risk to reward. So I'm in. We trade up, fair value gap. I was expecting it to rise off this fair value gap, but we came down, and I was still in it for this rundown. But what made me get out of this trade is after we came back up, I put my stop under this low, and then we came back and retested the fair value gap, and then traded back, and then came back down. So it was just a high resistance liquidity run, and as you can see, if I didn't get out, my stop loss, which was under this candle low, never would have got hit. And I could have literally just put my stop under this low, which I was thinking to do, but I didn't want to get stopped out of profit. I want the, but yeah, I can't think of it like that though. Like if that ever happens, but I have to just remember the narrative is the buy side. That's the narrative, and we should gravitate towards that. So I should really just have my stop loss under the candle low, for real. Or at least like a tick below this fair value gap close. But so after I got stopped out of this trade right here, I took another entry again right here. I probably should have known that wasn't the trade though, because we broke this high and then we didn't break the low, but we broke this low right here. So I got stopped out of this trade too. So at that point, I was walking away. I'm like, all right, like I would just take the loss for the day. And then around like 11 o'clock, at that point, I think I was down like $500 for that day, for the day. 500. It's not that bad. It's like a trade, but I was down like $500 at that point. But then 11 o'clock came and we still haven't reached this buy side that I had a high probability chance of knowing that it was going to hit that buy side. So at 11 o'clock, I had seen this setup right here. If we got a fair value gap, and then we got a run, then we got another fair value gap, and then one thing that I like about this fair value gap is we went down to 50% and respected 50% and then traded right up, and we only wicked it too. So we left the bottom portion open, so that was hinting to me that we was very bullish, right? So I got in again on this fair value gap right here and put my stop loss under the low. And then I just finally targeted this high right here. And then we got a 4-to-1 risk to reward. So after that day, um, I know what I just want to tell myself is like I'm not perfect, and then I have to treat every trading day as an individual. And every trading day though, every trading day that I expect to make money, it might not happen. Like I can't expect to make money all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like something might happen that I might mess up and then I might end up taking a loss. But over the long run, I have to control that to make profitability in the long run. Like I can't be like, oh, today you took out right here or right here when you should have held it, when you should have held it, and then you could have caught 100 points. You know what I'm saying the only thing that I can do is this. I can journal this, and then I can use this for data. Like I had a I had a higher narrative, a higher narrative. The buy side was gonna get hit. I had my setup that got presented, and then what just happened was it was just dirty price action, bro. But that dirty price action did not stop me. Did not stop price from running to my target, nor did I get stopped out. So you just something that you're gonna have to sit through. It's a high resistance liquidity, high resistance liquidity run day. So yeah, bro, you just gotta let yourself know you're not perfect. Stuff like that is gonna happen. I had two good ass trades earlier this week, and I caught another nice trade right here that got me back in profit for the day. So yeah, all in all, bro, it was a good day. It's not a bad day trading. I just wish that price was a little bit cleaner, man, because I would have definitely caught that shit. It was just this run right here was just like. But I think what I'm gonna do now is so Whenever I have a hard narrative, like alright, I know buy side is gonna get hit, and then I have the signature that shows to me like alright, it's about to run to that setup. You really just have to. That's really that you really just have to trust that setup. And if it take longer than usual, it's probably just a high resistance liquidity run, and you really just gotta put your stop loss where you had it at in the beginning with, and just let it run. If it loses, it loses. So that's what I got from today. Um, I will log into my Top Step and show y'all. Uh, I will log into the Top Step and show y'all the progress that we made. Okay, so we are $500. Oh, a little bit under 500, like $430 away from 470, something like that, away from hitting our profit target of 3,000. So we did not let our balance go below 50,000. Wait, did not hit or go below max loss limit. We did not do our daily loss limit. Our best day was not greater than 50%. See, our best day was 1,200, and we're $400 away from hitting the target. This is my P&L curve. So we went down the first day, second day made 1,200, third day made 1,200, fourth day made 700. Um, Winning trade percentage is at 48. And I would say this because this is what happened. So something happened in today's trading. So like I clicked off my trading view when I was in the Tradeovate trade for the funded account, and when I logged back in, my my order was gone. Like it was saying money was fluctuating, but like I couldn't, like my order was gone. Like like the buy limit order, that shit was gone. So like I'm trying to exit myself out the trade, so I'm like doing sell limits, and then it wasn't getting me out, so I was doing sell limit, sell limit, sell limit. So I got in like a few times, and that shit probably made me lose. So that's why I say right here I took 7 trades. As you can see, this day I took one, I took two, I took two, and this day I actually took one. I just got in on a micro contract, and I was supposed to trade a mini, so I just exited and got it. So it's actually one trade. I took 7 on this one. That's cap though. That's cap. That's cap. But as y'all can see, the low of the day was negative $570. That was the low that I went today. So I lost 570. Then I won a $1,200 trade or something like that. And then I got back up to 600, positive $674. Yeah, yeah, man. So we are very close to passing this account, and I didn't know after you pass the funded account, you go right to your express account to start making profits. I did not know that, so I'm very excited about that. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my profits, and I'm not gonna say nothing else. All right, so yeah, that was today's trading. Um, Hope you liked the video. If you got anything you'd like to say or anything, bro, just leave it in the comments. I know a lot of people don't watch my videos right now, but we gonna get this joint busting. Tomorrow, hopefully I have like another video saying that I passed my funded account, but I'm not gonna rush anything or nothing like that because there's no need to do all that. But yeah, that's all I got for today, and I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next video. Peace out.